Welcome, ladies and gentlemen. In today's lesson, we're learning about Garifuna accents, the grammatical accents. So in the Garifuna language, syllables are counted from left to right. One syllable words are never accented. Examples: da, tu, bu, and hu. Two syllable words that have their accent on the first syllable do not require a written accent. If the accent falls on the second syllable, however, it must be written. Example: mudu, mudu, which is sheep. Muna, muna, which is house. Gelain, gelain, which is key. Gudu, gudu, which is skirt. Duna, duna, which is water. Huya, huya, which is rain. Kate, kate, which is what? What? Hello, hello, which is cheer. Now, words that have three syllables or more are not accented if the accent falls on the second syllable. If the accent falls on the first or third syllable, however, it must be written. Example: emeragua, emeragua, which is to rest. Dabula, dabula, which is table. Uhabo, uhabo, which is hand. Aduga, aduga, which is to do. Galasu, galasu, which is pants. Aniha, aniha, which is here it is. Awasera, awasera, which is to prosper. Higabu, higabu, which is come here. Afadaha, afadaha, which is to lay flat. Awadigi marida, awadigi marida, which is to work. Ideragua, ideragua, which is to help.